Good morning, math time, math lesson. Our objective is identify groups of 1, 2, and 3. We're going to count out 1, 2, 3. We're going to, we're going to develop an instant recognition of groups 1, 2, and 3. Regroup and write the numbers 1, 2, and 3. That is our math lesson objective. Let's go to our next slide. Okay, let me move the camera to the side. Let's practice. We're going to practice. Let me get the pen on. Tracing the number 1. Look at the arrow, how it go down. Number 1. Can you do it now? Let's write number 1. Now look, 1, 2 circles. And then they have 1 circle. So which one are we going to circle? Are we going to do the 1 and the 2? No, because we need the number 1. So we're going to circle number 1. Let's go to number 2, guys. Let's trace. We're going to start right here. This is going to be our first. Then we're going to come down and over like this. Y'all traced it? Okay, now let's do it by ourselves. Can't wait to see it. Now look, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Do we have 3? No, we have what? 2. So we're going to circle the 2. Move the camera. Let's go to 3. See how I did that? You traced it. Now you're going to write it. So let's look. 1, 2, 3. That's what we need. Let's circle it, guys. Let's go to the next. We are going to be counting. And so let's count. 1. Okay, in the first box. 2. 1, 2. In the second box. 3. 1, 2, 3. Now in your box, under 1, how many should we put, guys? Great job. 1 circle. In the second box, how many should we put? Should we put 1? Should we put 3? No, we should put 2. 1, 2. And in the last box, number 3, should we put 2 in there? No, Miss B. What about 1? Miss B, you know better. How many we gonna put? 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Y'all are doing so great. I know y'all know this. Great job. Okay. We're counting again. 1, 2, and 3, right? Okay. So, let me move the camera. We're going to trace the number 1. Don't forget to put your name up here. Okay. So how many do we need? So we trace the number 1. There are 3 bears. So over here, what are we going to do, guys? I wonder, what are we going to do? Do y'all know what we're going to do? Should we write 1? Since they had 1 here, we could circle 1 bear. What y'all think? And in here, we're going to color in 1. What y'all think? Y'all think Miss B right? What y'all think? Let's go to number 2. 2. Remember, start here, down, and over. 2 bowls. Or you could color them, whatever color you like. Make sure we stay in the lines. Is Miss B staying in the lines? No, Miss B, you have to stay in the lines, okay? So let's see. You can also do like this to try to stay in the lines. What y'all think about that? Is that helping? All right, so we're gonna write 2 again. Okay, how many spoons? 2. Let me move the camera. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Too many. So how many we're going to circle? 3. All right, let's go here. What we going to write? Great job. 3. How many we going to do? 3. Whoops. Okay, now with this one, give me 1 second to turn the light on. Okay, guys, with this one, you're going to need some colors. You're going to need color blue, color green, color red, and color purple. So the directions we have to do, we have to color 2 of our boxes blue. Color 2 of our boxes blue. Color 2 of our boxes blue. Okay, now we need 1 green. One green. Now it said we need 3 reds. 3 reds. If you want to go across or you want to go down, it does not matter. Be creative. Everyone can have a different pattern as long as we have the same colors. 3 reds. Y'all doing good with y'all coloring. Okay, now it said we need 3 purples. And feel free to pause while y'all do this. One, 2, and this will be my third one, number 3. This is my number 3 right here. Make sure you stay in the lines, guys. And like I said, you can pause while you do your coloring. But I'm just staying on with y'all, okay? For y'all to see. Okay. Now, how many whites do we have? Let's count. 1, 2. Let me put it in this color. 1, 2, 3. We have, and we're going to write it here, 3 whites. So let's go over it one more time. You should have 2 blues, right? Great. 1 green. Yes. 3 reds. Correct. 3 purples. Great job. And whites, we're going to have 1, 2, and 3. Can't wait till you send Miss Alexis or Miss Media pictures. Y'all doing a great job. Thank you, and we'll see y'all later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.